Hi everyone, today I've got this floral easel card to share with you that I made for my sister's birthday last year. So before I started recording, I'd got all my mat and layers cut ready and I'd selected some ephemera and most of this ephemera was from the Advent swap, not from this Christmas gone, but from the Christmas before. My swap partner was Mandy and she sent me this gorgeous ephemera and I believe the butterfly papers were from Mandy as well. The yellow paper is from a lawn form paper pad. It was the 6x6 spring fling paper pad. I also used some stickers from Dovecraft and these toppers from Hobbycraft and then these ephemera pieces from Jen Hadfield. And I also use a couple of stickers from this American Crafts Crepe Paper Journal Studio sticker collection. Because I made it a while ago, I don't actually have the measurements, but you can kind of just take the principle and just use any size squares. And obviously I mat and layer it, so I use smaller squares for the smaller mat and layers. And so for example, if I was doing a 6x6 square easel card, I would cut my card base to 6 inches wide by 12 inches long, and I would score at 3 inches and 6 inches so that I could make that sort of easel front of the card. And then I'd cut another sort of 6x6 white card base to stick onto the easel part. And so first I use some double-sided tape and I just do some matting and layering. And I have two of these, one is for the easel part and one is for the base of the card. And once I've got both of those square mat and layers stuck together, I take this acetate wreath, and this was from my Jen Hadfield ephemera collections, and I just start to arrange some flower and butterfly ephemera around it, just to sort of decide where I want everything to go. And I've put a birthday wishes sentiment from the Hobbycraft sentiment stickers there in the centre. And all of these sort of ephemera and stickers from all these different companies and the papers as well just tie in really nicely together. I don't think you can really tell massively that they're from different collections. I just found that they all went nicely. And then I'm taking a couple of those Dovecraft stickers as well and sticking those on. And then a butterfly from the Crepe Paper sticker collection as well. And then I'm just sticking it all down to the final white base card. Once that's done, I use some more double-sided tape and attach it to the easel. Then I'll take the other mat and layered square and I adhere it to the base of the card. And then I've got a sister sentiment. This is from the Jen Hadfield collection there, and then a butterfly, and that was from my Advent swap. And so next I add a foam pad to that sister sentiment and I attach it to the card base in the centre, and that props up the easel card when it's open. Next I add the butterfly and I add a foam pad to give that a bit of dimension as well. And then I just take a couple of white adhesive pearls and I add them to the sister sentiment just to give a little bit more interest. And that's it. I like easel cards because I think they look quite effective, but they're quite easy to make as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. If you don't subscribe, please consider subscribing to me as well. And thanks for watching. Bye everyone.